Hello, Magadini. My name is Tanisha. I am 7 years old. This is a shorter lesson and today we are learning days of the week. Mazuva eviki. Again, Mazuva eviki. Days is Mazuva. Again, Mazuva. Day is Zuva. Week is Shondo oviki. Sunday is Shondo. Again, Shondo. Monday is Muvuru. Again, Muvuru. Tuesday is Chipiri. Again, Chipiri. Wednesday is Chitatu. Again, Chitatu. Thursday is China. Again, China. Friday is Chishanu. Again, Chishanu. Saturday is Mugorera. Again, Mugorera. Now let us sing along. Shondo, Muvuro, Chipiri, Chitatu, China, Mugorera. Thank you for listening. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and find us on www.shonandebele.twitter.com. Thank you.